All right, now that we have the steak in the oven and the potatoes are boiling, we're going to go ahead and put in 2 cups of water for our corn. Now I'm not going to salt the water for this because it's going to come in a cumin butter, so there should be more than enough flavor for that. I'm going to go ahead and get 4 cloves of garlic, and we'll chop these up. And then once all 4 cloves are cut, we'll go over them one last time. All right, now we're going to take a ring of onion. And I'm using white onion, but you can use red onion. And we'll go ahead and dice it just the same as we did the garlic.